Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key. From there, select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. So power, volume up. And you will keep holding them till the recovery mode shows on the screen. And there we go. So from here, once you're in this mode, you can simply tap on the options that you wish to access. So you can restart your device from here, clear data, which will include factory reset and a wipe cache partition. You can also go to an update mode or boot the device into safe mode. And whatever you select, you, like I said, simply tap on it. So because I want to leave it, I'm going to tap on restart, and the device should now restart. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.